Equipment needed to instill eye drops include disposable gloves, the medicine, and tissues or cotton balls. If the eye drops have been kept in the refrigerator, allow them to come to room temperature before instilling into the eyes. Rolling the bottle between your hands may warm the medicine. Check the label to see if the drops need to be shaken. Clean the child's eyes by first closing his eyes and gently wiping each eye from the inside corner to the outside corner. Use a different part of the tissue if you need to wipe more than once. A little warm water may be necessary. Use a new tissue for the other eye. If using cotton balls, use each only one time. Place the child who is under 5 on his back. You may need a helper. Older children may be seated if they can sit still and tilt their head back. Have the child look up toward the top of their head. You can ask, "Can you see your eyebrows?" Gently pull down the lower lid, making a small pocket. Instill the drops into the pocket from no more than 1 inch away. Do not drop the medicine directly onto the iris or the colored part of the eye. Gently close the eye. Apply gentle pressure on the inside corner of the eye for about 20 seconds. If the child is able, have him do this. Wipe away any excess medicine or tears with a clean tissue. If there is itching or redness, notify the parent. Eye ointment. This procedure is very similar to instilling eye drops. Instead of dropping the medicine into the pocket you create, place a line of the ointment into the pocket. Try not to touch the eye itself with the tip of the tube. Have the child hold their eye open for a few seconds, then keep it closed for 20 to 30 seconds. Wait to wipe any excess away for a few moments. Some will melt into the eye.